What is a pip in Forex? Okay, let's talk about something important in Forex trading. Pips. You may have heard terms like points, pipettes, and lots spoken around. Now we'll break them down and explain how they function. Don't worry, we won't go too far into maths. It's only a little, and you'll get used to it. Pips are an important concept in the trading business. Take your time learning this information because it is something that every Forex trader should know. Before you start trading, be sure you understand pip values and how to calculate profit and loss. It's an essential component of the game. What the heck is a pip? A pip is the measurement unit for representing the difference in value between two currencies. Here's an easy example. If the EUR-USD currency pair changes from 1.1250 to 1.1251, that $1 gain in USD value is equivalent to 1 pippy. A pip is typically the last decimal place in a pricing quote. Most currency pairs have 4 decimal places, with a small number of Japanese yen pairs having only 2 decimal points. For example, 1 pip in EUR-USD is represented by 0.01, whereas it is 0.01 in USD JPY. Understanding pips is essential in the world of Forex trading for tracking and being aware of changes in prices. What is a pipette? Some Forex traders quote currency pairs with multiple decimal places. Instead of the standard 4 and 2 decimal places, they use 5 and 3 decimals. They call these extra decimal places fractional pips, sometimes known as points or pipettes. If you already find the term pip confusing, be ready for more. A point, pipette, or fractional pip is 1/10 of a pip. For example, if the GBP-USD exchange rate moves from 1.3542 to 1.3543, the 0.01 USD increase is referred to as 1 pipette. On a trading platform, fractional pip looks like this. The 10th of a pip digit is usually shown on trading platforms to the right of the 2 larger digits. Here's a basic pip map to assist you. Understand how to read pips. How to determine a pip's value. Let's go over how to determine the value of a pip in a basic way. Step 1. Understand the exchange rate. Every currency has its own value, and the value of a pip is determined by the currency pair's exchange rate. Step 2. Express the exchange rate as a ratio. Exchange rates are typically expressed as a ratio. For example, EUR-USD at 1.2500 is represented as 1 EUR, 1.2500 USD. Example, bar 1, USD CAD raw 1.0200. Read as 1 USD to 1.0200 CAD or 1 USD 1.0200 CAD. Formula, RAS 1 CAD, X 1 USD 1.200 CAD, RAS RSBO RAS no 804 USD per unit traded. If you traded 10,000 units of USD CAD, a 1 pip change would be about a 0.98 USD change in position value. Example number 2. GBP JPY SEBI 123.0 read as 1 GBP to 123.0 JPY. Formula, .1 JPY, X 1 GBP 123.0 JPY. 0.08813 GBP. When trading 10,000 units of GBP JPY, each pip change is worth approximately 0.813 GBP. How to find the pip value in your trading account's currency. Okay, let's simplify the explanation of calculating the pip value and translating it into your account's currency. Step 1. Understanding your account's currency. Because the worldwide market uses multiple account currencies, it is critical to understand the pip value in terms of your trading account's currency. Step 2. Convert pip values. Multiply or divide the found pip value by the exchange rate between your account currency and the currency under consideration. If the found pip value is the same as the base currency, for example, the GBP JPY pip value in GBP is 0.813. Convert to USD using the GBP USD rate of 1.5590. Formula, 813 GBP, 1 GBP, X 15590 USD, or 1.2674 USD per pip movement. If converting to the countercurrency, for example, the USD CAD pip value in USD is 0.98. Convert it to NZD at 1 NZD, 17900 USD. Formula 98 USD, 7900 USD, X1 NZD, or 1,2405 NZD per pip movement. It's worth noting that Forex traders often carry out these computations automatically. Otherwise, you can use a pip value calculator. Conclusion: while traders usually handle this for you, understanding the process is beneficial. In the next session, we'll look at how these seemingly small sums can add up. Remember that you are not alone. You can always use resources like our pip value calculator. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.